Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland Family. What is Chandrayaan-3? Answer. The third lunar exploration mission under the program of the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, Chandrayaan-3 was developed with an aim to display the capability to soft land safely on the surface of the moon. When was Chandrayaan-3 launched? Answer. Chandrayaan-3 was successfully launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, on 14th July 2023. When were the first and the second Chandrayaan missions launched? Answer. Chandrayaan-1 was launched on 22nd October 2008, while Chandrayaan-2 was launched on July 2019. How many viewers watched the live stream on YouTube? Answer. Almost 7 million viewers logged into the free video sharing website to watch the live stream of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. What does Chandrayaan mean? Answer. The name Chandrayaan means moon vehicle in the languages of Hindi and Sanskrit. What is the design of Chandrayaan-3? Answer. It is a box-like structure with a solar panel on the side and a cylinder on the top. What scientific instruments are on board Chandrayaan-3? Answer. The instruments on board India's third lunar mission, Chandrayaan-3, include a seismometer, a Langmuir probe, a thermal probe, a retroreflector, an X-ray spectrometer, a laser-based spectrometer, and a spectropolarimeter. What is CHASE? Answer. CHASE stands for Chandra Surface Thermophysical Experiment. It is the name of Chandrayaan-3 equipment designed to measure surface thermal properties on the moon. How much did the landing of the spacecraft on the moon cost? Answer. Contrary to popular belief that it must have cost a humongous amount, here is an interesting fact. The third mission in the Chandrayaan series, the Chandrayaan-3 project, was developed at an estimated cost of 615 crores rupees. How do space missions work? Answer. Any space mission, for that matter, consists of two parts, the rocket, carrier, and the spacecraft, satellite. The rocket transports the spacecraft into space and self-destroy after transportation while the spacecraft continues to operate. What is the objective of Chandrayaan-3? Answer. The aim of Chandrayaan-3 is to study the chemical and mineral composition of the lunar surface and, at the same time, to ascertain the composition of elements such as magnesium and aluminum in the soil and rocks present. What is the total weight of Chandrayaan-3? Answer. The total weight of Chandrayaan-3 is about 3,900 kilograms. The propulsion module equals 2,148 kilograms, while the lander module equals 1,753 kilograms. How is Chandrayaan-3 different from Chandrayaan-2? Answer. As per ISRO, Chandrayaan-2 had a lander, a rover, and an orbiter. Chandrayaan-3 has only a lander and a rover. Name the director of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. Answer. Senior scientist, Ritu Karidhal, is also known as the Rocket Woman of India. When did Chandrayaan-3 enter lunar orbit? Answer. Chandrayaan-3 entered the lunar orbit on 5th August 2023. When did the Vikram lander get separated from the propulsion module in Chandrayaan-3? Answer. The Vikram lander got separated from the propulsion module on 17th August 2023. Name the chairman of ISRO when Chandrayaan-3 launched. Answer. S. Somanath, was the current chairman of ISRO when Chandrayaan-3 was launched? Who is the mission director of ISRO? Answer. Mohan Kumar is the mission director of ISRO. Who is the vehicle director of Chandrayaan-3? Answer. Biju C. Thomas is the vehicle director of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. Who is the project director of Chandrayaan-3? Answer. Tongue-pocking Smiley Veermuthuvel is the project director of Chandrayaan-3.
Please like, share and subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching.